Good day everyone. My name is Sherry Salas from BA 2A. So today, I will discuss my topic about eclipses. So what is eclipses? An eclipse occurs when a heavenly body such as moon or planet moves into the shadow of another heavenly body. There are two kinds of eclipses, the lunar eclipse and the solar eclipse. The first one is lunar eclipse. The moon's in an orbit around the Earth. At the same time, Earth orbits the Sun. Sometimes, Earth moves between the Sun and the Moon. When this happens, Earth blocks the sunlight that normally reflected by the Moon. A lunar eclipse can occur when the Moon is full. A lunar eclipse can be seen from Earth at night. There are two types of lunar eclipses. Number one is total lunar eclipses. A total lunar eclipse occurs when the Moon and the Sun are on exact opposite side of the Earth. The sunlight passes through Earth's atmosphere, which filters out most of the blue light. This makes the Moon appear red to people on Earth. And the second one is partial lunar eclipse. A partial lunar eclipse happens when part of the Moon enters Earth's shadow. In a partial eclipse, Earth's shadows appear very dark on the side of the Moon facing Earth. So let's proceed to the second kind of eclipses, the solar eclipse. Sometimes, when the Moon orbits Earth, the Moon moves between the Sun and the Earth. When this happens, the Moon blocks the light of the Sun from reaching Earth. During a solar eclipse, the Moon casts a shadow onto Earth. There are three main types of solar eclipses. Number one is total solar eclipse. A total solar eclipse is visible from small area on Earth. The skies becomes very dark, as if it were night. For a total eclipse to occur, the Sun, Moon, and Earth must be in a direct line. Number two, partial solar eclipse. Partial solar eclipse, this happens when the Sun, Moon, and Earth are not exactly aligned. The Sun appears to have a dark shadow on a small parts of its surface. And the number three is annular solar eclipse. An annular eclipse happens when the Moon is farthest from Earth. Because the Moon is farther away, it seems smaller. It does not block the entire view of the Sun. During a solar eclipse, the Moon casts shadows on Earth. The first one is the umbra. These shadows get smaller as it reaches Earth. It is dark center of the Moon's shadow. People standing in the umbra will see a total eclipse. And the second one is the penumbra. The penumbra gets larger as it reaches Earth. People standing in the penumbra will see a partial eclipse.